Our next released event will immediately be following a Metcon, a mystery Metcon. And your next workout is a strength complex, including 1 power clean, plus 1 hang squat clean, plus 1 shoulder to overhead.
A few simple rules in this event. First, each barbell must be clipped on both sides. Second, the weights must be matching on either side of the barbell. Third, your team mates must be out of the lifting lane during lifting. And finally, the repetition is completed when your judge states down, gives you that signal there. The movement standards. For the power clean, the bar will start on the floor and be received no lower than parallel in a squat. In the hang squat clean, the bar will start anywhere but from the floor and must be received all the way through into a full squat. That's below parallel. In shoulder to overhead, the bar will start on the shoulders and should end in a stable position locked out directly over the athlete's head with their feet together underneath them. So 1 power clean plus 1 hang squat clean. And finally, shoulder to overhead. Down. Now that was a very good example of repetitions for this event. And now Teresa is going to demonstrate for us what a no rep might look like. Good power clean. No rep. This was not a hang squat clean simply because she did not go into full depth squat or she did not go below parallel in her squat. This means she needs to start from the beginning and repeat the entire complex again. Good power clean. Good hang squat clean. And down. That was it.
One thing to note, every pound that your team accumulates is worth 1 point. Obviously, the most total pounds will win the event. We will be using these fraction plates as well, which go from 1 pound, half pounds, quarter pounds, a couple quarter pounders of cheese. So in review, this strength complex will come immediately after a conditioning workout. You will have 10 minutes to accumulate the total amount of pounds per team. You will only be able to use 1 barbell. So you choose which barbell you would like to use, 20 kilo or 15, but you will only use 1 kilo or 1 barbell per team. Good luck.